Welcome guys. Let's do Chainlink coin technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and please watch all charts because in this video I will show you my new targets. Let me please show you my first chart. It is Chainlink USDT pair 4-hour chart. After creating top at $27 price zone, it is at $24 price zone. This is major trend line and it is respecting this trend line. And here you can see these yellow lines are main horizontal resistance lines as well as these are overcoming targets. But currently it is facing resistance to break this hard resistance. Price maybe can go down to $23 price area. After that this will be a good spot at $22 price area. This area is a good spot zone. Here you can see. And if price drop from $22 price zone, then price can go down to hit this zone, $20 price zone and $18 price zone. These all are support levels I mentioned in here. Here you can see. Chainlink have to hold these levels. And if unfortunately Chainlink break this trend line and break this main support which is at $22 price zone, here you can see, in that case price can further go down to hit these levels. These white lines are major support lines and these are very below from current price, and here you can see these are very below from current price, but this is reality. Some days ago price was at $15. After that we saw a move, and after that these are impulsive moves, and now it is in this destructive move. Here you can see this will be a impulsive move. After that we see a destructive move, and that is why here you can see it was here, and after that we see a impulsive move here and destructive move here, and now again impulsive move and again destructive move can lead it to maybe this area, maybe this area. These two areas are very important to hold. These two areas are very important to hold. This area and this area. $22 price zone and $20 price zone is very important to hold. If in any case price break these two support zones, in that case maybe price can go down to $18, which will be very disaster for us. And let me please delete this, and let me please show you some indicators, and these indicators will help us to find trend. Here you can see candles are still above from this EMA ribbon, and that is a good sign. It is turning as a support zone. Here you can see candles hit this and after price bounce back, and here you can see price hit this and price move towards the upside, and 32% move after that we see. And let me please delete this, and here you can see price move towards the upside, and after that we see a move of 28%. This EMA ribbon is very important to hold. If price break this area, here you can see this area is very important. That is why I am asking that this area is very important to hold. $22 price zone, because of this trend line, because of this major support line, and because of this EMA ribbon. That is why this area is very important to hold. If price rejected from this zone and if price break this zone, then price can go to $20, maybe $18 very soon. And if price bounce back, then $24 will be our target, $25 will be second target, and $27 will be third target. And let me please hide this EMA ribbon, and let me please show you some fib levels for trading. For this I have to manage this chart because I want to show you all things very clearly. Let me please do this. Let me please do this. We have to calculate this from bottom to top, and after that let me please set this chart, and let me please delete all these drawings. Sorry for that. Let me please do it again, and here you can see. Currently it is facing resistance to break this area 0.5 fib level, which is at $26 price zone area. Next area is $22 price zone, $23 price zone, and after that price can go down to $18 price zone. Currently it is in between golden pocket and it is 0.61 area, in between $22 to $25 price area. Price have to hold this area, otherwise if price break $22 price zone, that is why this area is very important. After that price can go down to $18 and after that $16. These are the targets. And if price break this towards upside, if price break $26 price zone, in that case $29 will be the first target, $32 will be our second target, and third target will be $38. Let me please show you daily chart. In daily it is rejected from this zone, $27 price area, and now it is at $24 price area. It is creating a beautiful pattern which is called W pattern, here you can see. But unfortunately it was failed to break this. Here you can see price rejected from this point, and this will be a disaster. Now price can found support at this level, which is $22 price area. That is why $22 price area is very important. I mentioned before, because of this main fib level, because of this EMA ribbon, and because of the support area. If price break this $22 price zone, next area is $20 price zone, and after that $17, maybe $16 price area. And if price break this area, $27 price area, next target would be easily $29, after that $33. This area is also very important to break, and this is at $29 price area. And let me please show you some indicators. First of all, let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles still holding this EMA ribbon, and that is a good sign, and this is turned as a major support. And last time when it was happened, we can see that it was move of 45% towards upside, and last time it was happened, then it was move of destructive move of 47%. Candles have to hold this area. If candles break this area, then price can go down to maybe $18 price area. We have to watch this very clearly. Let me please show you CPR levels. These are main CPR monthly levels, these yellow lines, and these blue lines are main targets. Currently it hit first target, but unfortunately it bounced back from here. Now next spot is at $21 price area, same area, and after that if price break this area, then bearish target is $14 price zone, and this will be the disaster. And if price bounce back from here, in that case this will be the target, $26. After that this area $32, and after that this area $38 price zone. We have to watch this area very carefully. If price hold this, then well and good. If price break this, then maybe price can hit these white lines, price targets, and this area. Let me please delete all these things, and let me please hide this CPR indicator. And now let me please show you levels for the trading. Let me please arrange this. Currently, it is facing. It is having support at 0.38 fib level, which is $24 price zone in daily chart, and if it break it, then 0.23 fib level, which is $20 price zone. This area is very important. $24 price zone. This area is very important to hold. If it hold this, then next target would be this area, $26, maybe $29, $33. But if price break this towards downside, in that case $20. After that, maybe this area $18, maybe $17 will be the target. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your account, and after registration you have to deposit. After first deposit you can claim these bounces. These bounces are tradable. Trade with these bounces and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Here you can see you can trade with $4,100 absolutely free. You can in Bybit, and you can also trade with $4,100 trade in Fimex, but for this bonus you have to deposit. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.